Good morning, everyone. If you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay, that will help push the video and many of them can see it. And wishing you a happy Bohi, happy Makara Sankranti, happy Lori and Bihu. I know it's from now to this weekend we celebrate this in different ways throughout India. So for us, basically Tamil Nadu, we do today, tomorrow and Friday. So it is today we have Bohi, tomorrow is Pongal, and Friday is Matu Pongal for us. So it's 3 days, and today I'm in mid of my cooking anyway. So so far I never get to do it because always they'll be in school or office, so I never get to do mostly because I know I don't like it to do what's it and eat alone or do it in the evening, because it's basically a harvest festival and it's like a sun, you need to do it when the sun is there. So I like it when we can do it in the mid of the day. So I'm really excited. For the first time they are going to be home, and I'm halfway down with my cooking, so I need to go finish it. By the time I thought I'll hop on and let me know all the updates. So I know many of you are new here, so welcome to the group. My name is Aarti. I've been with Senegens for the past 3 years. It's been a wonderful journey with Senegens because I love these products. That's how I learned it. I never been a makeup junkie, or I never been to skincare much before Senegens. So all my learnings are only within this 3 years. So if you are someone who never wore makeup or never been into skincare, don't even think of it. It's so easy to do. The group has tons of information about each product, and there are like plenty of different ways to use each product. So you can always find those things, and also you can always message me. Hi Shailaja, good morning. Thank you for hopping on. I know it's little late today. Usually I'll be finishing up before 9 today. As I said, and happy Bogi to you. So I was in the middle of cooking, so I stopped. Now it is like everything is in halfway, so I need to go continue, finish cooking it. And so today I thought I will welcome all the new members and just give a small introduction, so how they can navigate. So always there is a beauty book in the group. There are where you can see the catalog. If you go to the albums in the group, you will see. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. And there are albums where, for example, if you are new to Lipsense is all day smudge proof, waterproof lipstick. So it will not come out the whole day. So only the gloss will come out, but the color will stay all day. So there is a virtual app that you can try every single color, and today I wore Maud Magenta because I am enjoying the ones that everybody got in the sale, so that way I can show you how the color looks. Maud Magenta is like a one universal shade that can work with every single person, and I really like this kind of shade when we do ethnic wear, because it will go pretty much with any colors, because it can go well with yellow, red and green and all. So because our traditional wear will be in one of those, so this will look perfect on anyone, and it will really lightens up the whole look itself. And for today I just wore Mauve shimmer along with Candied Cocoa shimmer. So I wanted like a very subtle pink, and you can hear Cloudy at the back. Cloudy is my 5 months old Shih Tzu, so he is outside. He can hear my voice, so he's waiting outside for me to go feed him. And for the announcement part for this week, Friday and Saturday, I'm going for a corporate training event. I'll be there full day on that. So, but still I'll be available on phone to reply or something. But I'm really excited because it's called PIT, which is Princess in Training. So it's going to be all about makeup again. So that's the one I'm going to do over the weekend. And for the announcement part, the few things you have to know for this month is, first thing is, there is a program called Kiss and Tell where you can order online. Usually it is like an Amazon membership where you can purchase online. Usually you can do two ways: either you can order it online or you can always get it from me. So this is for the online membership. So here you get like a $10 for 1 year membership, but currently it is free, so free to sign up. So there is a post on that, maybe I can bump it up. And if you want to start a business and looking to start something like mine, this month it's free to sign up as a distributor. So that information is again available in the group. I can ping you that if you are interested, and you can do whether it's a full-time or part-time depending on how you want to do. I do it full-time because I really love how I can connect with so many of you and enjoy doing that. That's why like 3 years has gone by so fast. So if you are someone who is looking to start a business, then this is perfect to work from home, and you have your flexible hours. You have you are your own boss. So it's, as I said, see, today I can take a break and do my cooking, and then also I can do my job. So that way it's really what is it, like fun to do, and also you are you will set your own limits. So it is like you can reach how much ever you want to, and at the same time you have the flexibility of working from home. At the same time you will be able to connect with tons of people. And the other promotion that is for January is being winter month. The body lotion and the hand cream is in a package for $55. Usually it is for $65. So the whole month it's for $55. Our products has a patented kinetic enzyme called Senaplex complex, which will really help with boosting the cellular renewal. As we age, the cellular turnover slows down. So what this Senaplex complex does is it's going to help push the cells of 23.3% faster. So that way you get newer skin cells, and that way you get anti-aging benefits to it. So it's there in our every single what is it, like skincare, and also it's there in our many of our makeup, like including CCTM or foundation, and including our makeup remover has the what is it, like the Senaplex complex in it. Hi Sandhya, thank you for the hearts. So then what else for this week I wanted to, yes, and every month I run a top contributor giveaway. So every month it restarts it from first to the end of this month. So it is calculated by FB. It's based on how much you participate in the group, the liking, commenting, all those stuff, and it will show you show me the first top contributors for the group. So what I do is I take them as a thank you. I run a raffle, and I give them a gift, like it can be from a full-size product to a gift card, something like that. I switch every month, so that always runs. So if you're new to the group, it's never late. It runs every month, so you can always participate in that. And thank you for all the reviews that got posted. I really appreciate, because see, I know I always talk about these products because it's from my personal level. Hi Prashanti, good morning. And but when customer hears from another customer, they really like it, because it is like what is like, it's like how you find the Amazon review or somewhere, because we all rely on it. Even if you're going for a restaurant or something, you always look for the reviews. So that's how much it helps to boost a business. Thank you Prashanti, wishes to you as well. So I know that's what this week is, a packed week. Today is Bogi, tomorrow is Pongal, and Friday is Matu Pongal, as well as my training starts. And this week already the hair care workshop is coming to an end. Hi Juhi, thank you so much for hopping on. Thank you, Juhi. This is another kurti I got from Sunita. I'm actually addicted to hers. Every time when she posts, I'll be like, oh my god. Let me bring Cloudy here. One sec. Give me one sec. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Come. I know. I know. You want to hop on. See? Say hi. Say hi. Okay. So every time, so this week, as I said, the hair care workshop was running in Instagram, and that was coming to an end, and everybody loved it. So we carry many different samples, and it's a very nice way for you to experience the product before you commit. See, auntie saying hi, Cody. Hi, Cody. Hi, Cody. So then the skincare workshop, I'll be adding everyone today, and it starts tomorrow. So that way what happens is every month we run the skincare workshop on second week, because when you try these kind of things, I'll be sending you like a week worth of products. So that way when you wash your face morning and night for a week, you will be really able to notice instead of just doing it once. So if you are anytime interested, please do grab those things. And what else this week? I think that's why it's pretty busy with Pongal and these things happening, and also with both the workshops happened in the same week along with my training. So I'm really excited, and I think Friday evening or Saturday evening, the product launch is also going to happen. So that is also there. So looking forward for the new products. There were many teasers, like from the nail products to we still don't know. We were like guessing from the other distributors, because they pick few and they get to try before it gets released. So we were guessing like whether it can be a lip liner, whether it can be a bra product, all those stuff. Oh no, mummy. Okay, he's sleepy actually. So yes. Thank you, Juhi. Yes, this one I will tag you for sure. This is a new one. This is the first time I got from her. So I just, because this dress had pinks and pinks and greens and silver. So I matched my bangle as pink. So for a contrast, I wore the earring as green, and my eye look also I did pink. So that's why. Okay, baby. Okay. So that's it. I think I pretty much covered all the announcement for this week. And yes, the last one, but the very important one is all the packages that has to be sent out. I think I just have 2 orders which are like I'm waiting for the products to reach me, but everything else was sent out. Even the ones that sent on first week of okay, baby. Okay. Let me get you down. Yeah. January first week are still yet to reach, because even though there was a delay in around Christmas, some of the routes are still having delays for reaching out the products. So please bear with me. I always make sure to inform you guys, and also I will track it by myself. Even though I share the tracking, I always make sure to track it from my end also. So keep you posted when it is out for delivery, or even there is a delay. I think the packages to either Pennsylvania, Philadelphia route, or some of them to New Jersey, or what else? Where else? I think even to Connecticut or something. These routes are still busy towards the East Coast. So please bear for me. I am still contacting the USPS, and as you know, they also don't have the answer, because it has to be scanned from the particular center. So it's nothing to do with me once it gets shipped. Yeah, it doesn't matter whether it's first class or whether it's a priority. In fact, the ones that all got stuck were all I paid priority 1 to 2 days. So unfortunately, even though I paid extra, they all got stuck and they are not moving. So hopefully by end of week, I am sure you will all be able to get the products and you are able to utilize it. And that's the one important thing I wanted to say today, because I thought after the Christmas and New Year, it will be starting to move faster, but there are still some delays because of COVID, I think so. And even for us, I think it's going to be what is it, like a further tight. They asked us to stay home as much as we can. My business runs from home, so for me it's pretty much the same, so I can I know, but many of them will suffer with that. Hopefully we all get answers soon. And that's all for today. I'll keep you posted, and guess what new products will be coming, so let's see who is going to guess it correctly. Yeah, have a wonderful day guys. See you all soon.